Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you these rope projects that I made. They were so much fun to make, and I used my Mod Podge to put this bunny on the rope. So come along and let me show you how I put this together. And then I like to take my rope, and I do this to all my rope projects. I take a little piece of tape and I put on the very end. Once I do that, I cut off about 3/4 of it. That little tiny piece of plastic that is left behind keeps it from fraying, and it works so well. Once I get that done, I like to try to make as big a circle as I can that feels comfortable enough to hold, and to put that underneath the foot and then sew that down really well before you go any farther. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And then take a napkin of your choice, and you want to take the bottom layer off. It comes in 2 layers. By doing that, it makes it really thin and it's able to work so much better. This is such a fun part because you get to decide what part of it you want to use. I want to try to get the bunny fully on there and some of the floral included. So I will lay this on top, and then I will draw a circle around it and cut it out. Whenever I make one of these, I always like to take spray bottle and spray water down first. That way when I put the Mod Podge on, it doesn't just soak in, it's right there ready to work for me. This was such a fun project to do. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos that you can click on. Thank you so much for watching.